Welcome to Florida Barbecue Season 2020! Well guys, we waited 5 minutes and the rain went away, the sun is shining and the rainbow is out. And there is no other way to explain it than say that this is Florida, guys. That's how it goes. You guys have been asking for this video for a long time, and today I'm making it happen for you. Forget all those gas grill and all those fancy machines that they create to sell you crap. Charcoal is king. And today I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about charcoal grilling. Let's go. And yes, I know many of you guys are gonna be asking yourself, what's the big deal with charcoal grilling? Why don't do it on a gas grill? And there is a few differences that you guys need to know. One of them is, in the charcoal grill, you are allowed to have two different areas. One that is really, really hot, the other one is this really, really cool. And there you can cook food at different temperatures. One in the indirect heat is how we call it, and the other one on direct heat or searing. Something else that you need to know is that charcoal burns a lot harder than gas. So the profiles of the flavors in the meat are gonna be completely different and a lot more complex. Another advantage of charcoal is that charcoal is nothing else than wood that is being already dry, really, really dry. So that's gonna give you a lot of smoke, and all those flavors from the smoke is gonna go into the meat, which is another advantage that you're gonna have there. Something else to keep in mind when we talk about charcoal grills is that they are really portable. You can grab this thing and put it in your car, go to the beach, light up the grill, and do a lot of crazy stuff with it. You won't never be able to do that with a big gas grill machine with the tank and the whole 9 yards. Some of them even need electricity for them to work, so keep that in mind. Now let's talk about what charcoal should you use. In the world of charcoal grilling, there is no more fundamental and fiercely debated topic than lump charcoal versus briquettes. Being the building block of everything you grill, it's no wonder the grill masters around the world will defend their choice with extreme passion. And that's why lump charcoal, in its most natural form, is preferred by many. Beyond that, lump charcoal has a lot of attractive qualities. It lights faster, it burns hotter, and it leaves very little ash compared to briquettes. It is also more responsive to oxygen, making it easier to control the fire temperature. On the other hand, briquettes are kind of the fast food of charcoal. They are cheap, reliable, can be found everywhere, but you don't really want to know what's in them. Briquettes are created from manufactured wood byproducts, compressed with additives that help them light and burn consistently. When the briquette is light up, you can really smell those chemicals inside the briquettes themselves. But allowing them to burn until they cover in white ash should avoid any off-putting smells transferring to your food, if you dare. There are many grill brands out there that will happily sell a grill to you at a very good price, but I won't recommend any of those. I'm recommending you the Weber 22.5 inches grill. This grill has been tested by time, and it has proven its worth time after time. The Weber is not only a great grill, it's also practical and easy to maintain. This grill has been with me for the last 10 years and there is nothing I can complain about. It just gets dirty after every cook and you just clean it out with a piece of aluminum foil, and that's gonna be all you need to do. The market is full of accessories and replacement parts available for it. There is nothing you cannot do with this grill. Durable, easy to maintain, and with a huge array of accessories, make of this grill a great option for anyone interested on the topic. Let's talk about one of the biggest nemesis for the charcoal newbies out there, which is lighting up the charcoal. And that's really easy, guys. The best recommendation I can give you would be to get one of these guys. This is a charcoal chimney. It's gonna cost you about $15 anywhere. Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, Walmart, everybody have this thing for about $15. And this is a lifesaver. You put your charcoal in here, you put your light up in here. You can use newspapers, you can use regular paper, or you can use these wax cubes that are really cheap, really affordable. You can get them anywhere too, in Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere. 24 of them is going to cost you about $4, and this will always work. Again, you can use newspapers or you can use magazine paper, whatever. The only thing is those papers sometimes they don't light up really well, or they can be wet or something like that, and they don't going to work perfectly. This will always work. Now let me show you how I light up my grill. Really easy.
Using the chimney charcoal couldn't be easier. Place it inside the grill by removing the grill grates and add your charcoal right on the tallest part of it. Once that's done, get the wax cubes, light them up, and place the already ready chimney right on top of the fire.
The light up process is going to take about 20 to 30 minutes, and this is the perfect time for you to prepare your meat, to do whatever you have to do. And if you don't have anything to do, open a beer and relax a little bit. Give it a little bit of time, it's going to be perfect.
Okay, let's talk about utensils and their usage. Tongs are the perfect tool for the grill. It allows you to flip, move, look, check, and even flirt with your meat. Spatulas. These are great for flipping and smashing. Highly recommended if you're cooking burgers. Thermometer. Temperature control is everything in cooking. Grills are great for everything but temperature control, so having one of these will always help you reach perfection. Basting brush, excellent for pouring juices and sauces on your meat. Grill brush, excellent for cleaning and maintaining your grill. Also, I highly recommend a good pair of heat-resistant gloves. These gloves will allow you to handle any hot surface, even charcoal. Now with the charcoal going and really light up, we're going to create two different zones in the grill. And as you can see, those gloves are really handy. Once you have the charcoal organized exactly the way you want it, just put the lid of the grill on and open the top damper all the way. And after about 5 minutes, I'm going to open my grill and I'm going to clean it up with the grill brush. I know some people is going to recommend you not to use this, but just remember the next step. What I like to do here is I want to get some oil spray and spray the grill with it. And then I'm going to clean it up with some paper towel and make sure that there's no residues in there. Cleaning your grill is always a good idea. Once you're done cleaning your grill, just cover it up and give it about 10 minutes so it can heat up again. And right there we're going to start adding our meat. First I'm going to put my meat on an indirect heat and I'm going to wait for it to hit 120 degrees internal temperature. For that I'm going to be using my thermometer, which is going to be really handy at this point. With the internal temperature of the steak reaching the desired temperature, all we have left to do is to sear them up. The searing process is more directed to the eye. You will keep them in there until they look exactly the way you want it to look. Normally what I do is I give it 2 minutes and then I flip them over. But it all depends on how you like it, how you want your crust to be, and how exactly you want those colors to come out from there. Basting is always a good idea. It adds flavors and fat on the meat. In this case, I'm using a compound butter that I just created using butter, pepper, and garlic. Meat-term is directly related to beauty. It all depends on how you like it. I would recommend you a medium rare, which is the perfect term for me.
Well, there you have it, guys. Now you know how to grill. If you have any questions, let me know down there. And now we're gonna try this baby and see. What do you think happened here, man? Look at that. Oh man, this is one of those for people without teeth. Oh. Miss Ninja!
Coming!
Wow, Miss Ninja.
No, listen.
Hurry up.
The smell inside the house is like, what the heck?
Hurry up because I'm gonna eat it all. Just give it a try.
This is gorgeous.
This is not a testing video, so
Yeah.
just give it a try.
Let's go.
You're going for the good one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
Oh my God, Ninja.
so tender.
Not only that, the flavor, it's like totally different. I love it. What is this, first of all?
Goodbye.
No. But this is a different ribeye. It's so good. The
It's
tenderness,
amazing, man.
all the elements. Love it.
All right. Leave us.
Bye.
Get out of here.
Bye.
This thing is stealing all my meat, man.
Come on, Georgie.
All right, guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit us with a like. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and the whole nine yards. You know how it is. And let me know, man, if you have any question about grilling, if you want to get into grilling and you have any question, put it down there. I always answer all the comments. I'm missing you too. So that's all for today. But remember that I love you